Hey everyone, we all know that not everyone lives equally in this world. There are wealthy people and there are poor people. The difference between these two will never change. There are homeless people who live on the road. Some of them chose this style of life by themselves. However, others wanted a normal life, but society never gave the chance to. Sadly, some people are homeless. Thus, they have to sleep on benches in some parks and eat whatever they can find or what is given to them by other people. Nobody chooses their own fate. Some people look at these poor people as worthless. However, others try to change their lives by doing something good to them. Today's hero is called Casey Fisher. Before we start today's story, welcome back to our channel where you can learn about really interesting stories with valuable lessons. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated to our new videos. One day, Casey was in a fast food cafe minding her own business and drinking coffee. Suddenly, she saw a homeless person outside the cafe collecting coins that had probably fallen out of his pocket. He probably got those coins from the people who have passed him. After that, she saw him getting inside the same cafe that she's in, and he started counting all the coins. Casey noticed on his face that he was disappointed and upset. She knew that the coins were not enough for him to buy some food, so she decided to help him out. She told him that she wants him to have coffee and a sandwich on her expense. The man was really hungry, so he accepted the girl's little help. Once he bought his food, Casey asked him if he could sit with her since she is alone at the table. Impressed by her attitude, the man looked at her with a smile and went to her table. They kept talking for a while, and Casey figured out that the story behind him being in the street and that his name was Chris. He explained to her that he was raised in a family full of conflicts. His father would always beat him and his mother, so he decided to leave them and escape. Chris explained that such conflicts were too much for him to handle as a child. Unfortunately, people would also annoy him in the streets and sometimes even beat him. He felt that life was basically hell and he wanted to leave everything behind. All the doors were closed. He kept looking for a job for a really long time, but nothing worked out for him. Suffering and loneliness led him to getting addicted to drugs. He said that nobody was ever nice to him. His entire life, no one ever thought of considering him as a normal human because of his appearance. Everyone was scared of him. The man told her that he would love to have a job and change his life, but no one would give him the opportunity. He also told her that his best friend, a dog that he had had for a long time, had recently passed. The man was extremely upset because of everything happening to him. Casey kept listening to him with teary eyes, but she held her tears because she didn't want to make him feel that she was pitying him. Chris was comfortable with Casey and he told her everything about his life. He told her that right after he ran away from his parents, his mother died due to a serious illness and he never saw her again. Casey and Chris kept talking for a whole hour before she had to leave for her next class. Chris told her to hold still for a minute and he went to the cashier asking for a pencil and a piece of paper. He wrote something on the paper and gave it to Casey. He told her that he is sorry if his handwriting is bad and he thanked her for the conversation and the food, saying that he will always remember this day. Casey opened the folded paper as she was walking to her class and she realized that he gave her something that is worth way more than the breakfast that she had helped him with. The note had written on it, "Today I was going to commit suicide, but what happened today made me feel better and I don't want to do it anymore. Thank you very much. You are an amazing person." Casey burst into tears and she felt her heart fill with joy. This story tells us that you should never judge someone by the way they look. Every person has a special story. Not everyone was born as lucky as you with some financial help. Sometimes a little help can change an entire person's life and not just their day. Casey shared the story on Facebook, aiming to let other people know how important it is to help homeless people. That's it for today. Tell us your opinion about the story down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video and share it with your friends if you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more wonderful stories coming your way on a regular basis. See you in the next video!